Hello everyone. Welcome to an overview of online course presented by Imperial Society of Innovative Engineers ISIE India on EV component sizing and integration. It is an exclusive program designed by Imperial Society of Innovative Engineers Technical Committee. ISIE India is India's biggest e-mobility research and development and skill-based education platform which is working as a bridge between 500 plus institutes to fill the skill gap. ISI India are widely connected with college, universities, institute of 18 plus states through our skill development program conducted under our on-campus training, Center of Excellence, Student Research Association, Expert Talk, Academia Partnership Program and online courses. Our program are certified by ASDC and are recommended by MNRE and SMEV and 17 plus auto industries. Our specialized program on electric vehicle is endorsed by Niti Aayog. So let's get started with why courses on electric vehicle. So why ISI India is focusing on electric vehicle courses? Because electric cars will soon overtake IC cars as electric vehicles are close to matching the cost of gasoline and diesel powered cars and are even cheaper to operate. And BNEF predicted that over the next 2 decades worldwide, electric vehicle sales will rise from 2 million last year to 56 million by 2040. And to boost the transition towards e-mobility, Niti Aayog proposed that three-wheelers sold after 2023 and two-wheelers sold after 2025 in India should be electric. And National Electric Mobility Mission Plan (NEMMP) projects a sale of 6 to 7 million electric vehicles on Indian roads by 2020 and also plans to set up a capacity of generating 175 gigawatts of renewable energy by 2022. So these are the major points focused by ISIE India, and that's why we put a step forward to provide a course on electric vehicle for you. So why EV component sizing and integration course by ISI India? As the program is comprehensive learning about the electric vehicle components, that is motor, controller, battery, BMS, charging, and its objective is to provide an overall picture of the current electric vehicle technology and ways of future development to assist in future researches in this sector. That's why we have focused basically on electric vehicle component sizing and integration course. So let's see the program overview of our course. It is of 1 week duration, having 6 hours of learning module which is online, and it is having 3 units having 14 lessons and having one case study and assessments, and it is having one mini projects to give you a complete knowledge how industry is going to perform in the field of electric vehicle component sizing and integration. Then what we are going to cover in this course, so we are focusing on major three topics in details, and first topic will be motor and controller, and the second topic will be battery and BMS, and the third topic will be charging. So these are the three topics we are going to cover in detail, and the program outcomes that we are going to learn from this course are a comprehensive study about selection of electric vehicle components, and then how to choose right size and right type of electric vehicle component, and then integration of components, cell balancing and lithium battery pack, and then DIY battery pack and industry grade battery pack, and then selection of right charging port, and then charging technologies. So what are we are going to offer in this course? So we will be offering you 6 hours of on-demand videos and 14 lessons having practical based case studies, and we are going to provide you atmosphere of industry connect by which you can get to learn how industries are going to perform in coming years in the field of electric vehicle. So what are the key highlights of our course? So, in learning outcomes, we will be giving you a comprehensive learning about the electric vehicle components, and then we will be providing a globally valid certificate as our course is recommended by SMEV and MNRE and 17 plus auto industry. So, we are going to giving you a globally valid certificate duly attested by these organizations. Then we will be providing you mini projects and case studies for practical learning on EV component sizing and integration. So, how to get enrolled in our course? You just have to visit our site www.isieindia.com, and then you have to sign up by using your mail ID. And after signing up, just go to browse course section. Hovering on browse courses, you will find a section of master course. Just go to it, and clicking on the electric vehicle master course section, you will find EV component sizing and integration course over there. Just click on that, and the course description page will open up, and you can see all the details related to the course on that page. And on the top right side of that page, you will find a buy now option. Just click on buy now and get enrolled into our course. So let me show you how it is done. Just so visit our site www.isieindia.com and click on login button, and then you will be asked to input your login credentials. If you don't have your login ID, just go to sign up button and register yourself on ISI India platform and then login. So I am having my ID, so I am logging in directly. So we have successfully logged in. Just go to browse course section and you will find master course section over here. Hover around master course and you will find electric vehicle courses. Just click on electric vehicle courses and you will be taken to our master courses page, on which you can find all the master courses related to electric vehicle. You can see all the master courses that we are providing here. Just scroll down and you will find EV component sizing and integration course. Just click on it and you will be taken to our course description page, where you can find all the details related to course, the content that we are going to cover, and the price. Here also you can see the price, and after entering the page you can find all the details related to the course over here. Just click on buy now option, and after clicking on buy now, the course will be added into the cart, and after adding to the cart you can proceed with the payment and get enrolled into our course. So this is how you enroll in EV component sizing and integration course. Just get enrolled and start learning about component sizing and integration based on an electric vehicle. Thank you.